Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your iPhone or Android as a webcam on your PC. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. First of all, open App Store because I'm using iPhone. You can use it also on Play Store. Open App Store here and search for Droid or OBS right here. It will redirect to this and then click on Droid webcam on OBS. I already installed it on your phone. Then what you need to do is open any browser on your PC right here and search for Droid for PC. Now go down here and you can see droidcam.app. Click on this, go down here and it will give you three types of file. One is Linux client, second is Windows client, and third one is OBS Studio. I will select Windows client because I'm using for PC and then download this file. I already downloaded here and also installed it on my PC. After installation, what you need to do is open Droidcam on your PC here. Then what you need to do is also open Droidcam on your iPhone or Android. Then here you can see on your PC, click to add a device. Click on this. It will automatically detect your Android or iPhone. Mine is iPhone. Click on this and then click on add selected device. And here is your webcam. You can also select the back camera. Here you can see, click on front and then back. I will select back and this is what you get, right? Now how you can add this camera to OBS? What you need to do is open OBS here, then click on plus and then click on window capture device. Click on OK. Then from here click on Droid video cam and you are good to go. You can use it as a webcam on OBS and also you can use it on Zoom and whatever you can do with it. So this was a quick video how you can add your Android or iPhone as a webcam on your PC. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.